Section 5. Benefits of AI accuracy, speed, and cost savings in dam design. AI offers significant advantages over traditional methods. AI improves the accuracy of strength calculations. This leads to safer and more reliable dam designs. AI speeds up the design process. This allows engineers to explore different design options. This optimizes the dam's performance and longevity. AI significantly reduces the time and cost associated with dam engineering projects. AI reduces the cost of dam engineering. It minimizes the need for expensive physical models. It also optimizes material usage and construction processes. AI enables predictive maintenance. By identifying potential issues early on, AI helps prevent costly repairs. It extends the lifespan of dams. Section 6. AI in action, real-world examples. Numerous dam projects are already benefiting from AI. The Shaowan Dam in China uses AI for real-time monitoring and safety analysis. The Hoover Dam in the United States employs AI to optimize its hydropower generation. AI is also being used to assess the safety of aging dams. This is crucial for preventing dam failures. It ensures the long-term reliability of water resources. These examples demonstrate the transformative potential of AI in dam engineering. They highlight its ability to enhance safety, optimize performance, and extend the lifespan of these critical structures. Section 7. The future of AI in dam engineering, innovations on the horizon. The future of AI in dam engineering is promising. Researchers are developing sophisticated algorithms. These will improve dam design and monitoring. AI-powered robots may inspect dams, enhancing safety and reducing human risk. AI will aid sustainable dam solutions, optimizing water management, mitigating environmental impact. Expect more groundbreaking applications, leading to safer, efficient, sustainable water infrastructure. Section 8. Conclusion. AI, a new era for dam safety and efficiency. AI is revolutionizing dam engineering. It offers unparalleled accuracy, speed, and cost-effectiveness in dam strength calculations. AI enhances safety, optimizes performance, and extends the lifespan of dams. The integration of AI in dam engineering marks a new era for water infrastructure. As AI technology advances, we can anticipate even more groundbreaking applications. This ensures safer, more efficient, and more sustainable water